Sounds crazy. God, not gonna lie, it's been a little minute. I'm a little sick. I'm getting over my sickness a little bit. Ain't crazy, but right now it's a big day. My car is getting straight piped today. I'm on my way to my appointment to get it straight piped. Look at this car in front of me right here. This junk kind of nice. But besides the point, yeah, we getting the car straight piped, so you know we filming a POV. Let's go. It's been a little minute since we filmed a video. 2 weeks, going on 3. Y'all see this car in front of me right here. This junk kind of look a little nice. Ain't gonna lie. But right now I'm on my way to my appointment. I'm about to get my car straight piped. It's about that time. I'm gonna film the after, and then I'm gonna give y'all a little POV. You know, let y'all hear the car, give y'all a couple pulls, and etc. So I'll pick up the camera when I get to the shop. All right, y'all. We just got here. So let me go in here and check on this appointment. Reminds me about y'all. 11:40. So let's see. Y'all see my creativity for Halloween. Watch y'all hard. After Halloween, it's all coming off, so it don't even matter. Let's get it done. We got it done. We got it done. We got it done. You know we gotta let the windows down. Listen. I don't think we'll be able to hear for real. They got me right. I gotta let my car warm up a little bit, so I only gonna get a car for real. Everything going crazy. I'm on campus with it. Cops. Put these campus cops. That sounds devious. Damn! It sounds crazy.
Oh my god. Wait, hold on. Do it again.
Sound insane.
Holy fucking shit.
I think that's you got cops?
Nigga, where?
How are you getting in the front?
What?
You getting in the front?
Hold on. Nigga.
I gotta go to like the landing.
I'm over here talking, right? Damn. Damn, I'm over here talking. I hear a boom. I'm like, I tell Danielle, is that damn?
It sounds crazy. It sounds aggressive.
Nigga, good shit.
Oh, Danielle said y'all need to stop.
What's good, YouTube? It's maybe like, what? It's like the next day. I needed to, well, my car was missing like an actuator clip. And it was kind of like causing like a grinding sound or whatever, but I'm gonna give y'all a POV in like the next video, so y'all can hear everything and how everything sounds. But I'm gonna give y'all a couple revs right here. We in the middle of the road with it, you feel me? So let's do it. Y'all already know what it is, bro. Alright, YouTube. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. You feel me? I'm gonna give y'all an actual POV. Sounds crazy. Window ain't even down. Alright, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. We out.